once again, after I get all of them leveled up, I'll stop playing this. But I've seen me get 1,000 views. But I mean, I got an idea. If this if I get 5,000 views, 5,000, I will film a video. Okay, and then wondering why I'm at 4,000. Well, because I just wanted to make it get it. So we get the new brand new kid. We got the brand new kid. Where's Tom? Shot. Damn, what is that? Sorry, you know. Oh my.
Moms highly recommend it. This game teaches kids new things. Kids love learning new things with this game.
You're not doing that because this dog doesn't have any. Kids are only doing that because they don't got any friends. I know it's little dang dog. Oh, I got 6 colors. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, I already know I'm gonna lose on this one. See, this is where this game sucks. This game still sucks because I still didn't make that one. Yeah. See, that sucks. This game sucks. Try again. Perfect. Oh, see that? I just need extra tons. And that's annoying. I'm still gonna lose though because this game's stupid. And just I hate it. Yep, this game's stupid. No, this game's stupid. No. No, get out of my face. Get out of my face. I don't. Anyways.
This Thursday.
What is
What is it?
happening? This day get any weirder? I guess it can.
Do I have web on my face? Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. Thursday. Tickets on sale now. Rated PG.
That's cool. Dang. You better stop. I don't really think I care about Jay. Anyway. He is now 2 years old. We got a 2-year-old kid. Sorry, but I mean, I gotta go with Tom because he's more like, your mama. More like like a friend. It's more like a friend. I know y'all are sick, but you should have stayed away from outside. No, you should have done that. You should have stayed away from outside, you know. You are so stupid. Get away from me, Ben. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Trying to make him sick. Dude, get away from him. Stop. I don't care about Frosted Flakes. Anyways, he is 2 years old now. He is 2 years old. 2 years old. You go to party, you go to party.
What's up, citizens?
Anyways. What? No! Look at that. Oh, stop, get away. No. Nope, you ain't. You don't got it. Not gonna be yours. Bye. It's not yours anymore. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Okay, I am back. I don't care
Give me
about
some ice cream.
Now what is this? You got it. We got your food, sir. We have your food, but not yet though. Anyways, I forgot I was on pause the whole entire time. Anyways, just so you go to bed first. I'm not letting you go to bed. Anyways,
From Disney.
I don't care. Anyways, where's Tom at? Where's Tom? I'm getting started bored of this. Eat some more if you're not fully hungry. Okay. Wow, you're not. Are you full? You're fat. Nope, don't even try it. You want her where she's 6. She's 6 right now. I got those burgers. Oh, ow! Hey, you okay? Your ugly face, snotty face, dirty face, looking out of my face. Now I know Ben's following me, but don't follow me, Ben. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sleepy because I just woke up. It's daytime, bro. Daytime. It's daytime. Ben, stop. Stop, Ben. Stop! Go out there and you annoying other people.
Beat Battle is the best fight.
Anyways. You can't hide, you big creature. You go to sleep because you're annoying. Wait, can you sleep in different spots? You can? Bye everyone. Please like, subscribe. I will see you guys later. Bye.